Good morning everyone. I am Sharmila, working as faculty of computers in Sanju College of Arts and Science. In last section we discussed about the first unit concepts, what is data structure, arrays, ADT, linear list, pointers. Now in this section we are going to see the remaining concepts of first unit, linked lists, unit 1 section 2. First of all, linked list, single linked list, double linked list, circular linked list and applications. First of all, what is linked list? A linked list is a sequence of data structure which are connected together via link. Linked list is a sequence of links which contain items. Each link contains a connection to another link. Next, linked list representation. If you look at this diagram, linked list can be visualized as a chain of nodes where every node points to the next node. This is the diagram. Here, head is the starting point. Head is connected to the next node. This is the node. Node contains two parts. One is data item and another one is next part. Next means address. This address is connected to the next node data items and the next part is connected to the another node data items. This is the link. Arrow mark is the link. Single link is connected in sequential order and the ending point is null. Null means stopping point. Okay, this is the linked list representation. There are three nodes are connected in sequential order using link. So next, types of linked list: single linked list, double linked list, circular linked list. Single linked list means items navigation is forward only. That means only one direction. Double linked list. Double linked list means items can be navigated forward and backward. That means two direction. One is forward direction, another one is backward direction. Next, circular linked list. Circular linked list in which the link field of the last node is made to point to the first node of the list. Okay, these are the types of linked list. Next, basic operations: insertion, display, search, delete. These are the basic operations of linked lists. Next, single linked list. First of all, what is single linked list? Item navigation is forward only, then it is called as single linked list. So this is the single linked list representation. If you look at this diagram, this is the head. Head means starting point. Head is connected to the node and the node next is connected to the next node and the next part is connected to the another node. This is the sequential order using single link, only forward direction and the ending point is null. So this is the single linked list representation. Next, basic operation: insertion, deletion, reverse. These are the basic operations of single linked list. First, insertion. Insertion means inserting the node. Deletion means delete the node. Reverse means reverse the linked list. For example, insertion operation. If you look at this diagram, first starting head node, head pointer. Head is connected to the next node and the next node next point is connected to the another node and the stopping point is null. And new node is connected to the middle of the linked list, that is insertion. Syntax is new node dot next link to right node semicolon. That means new node next part is connected to the right node. Okay, if you look at this second diagram, the syntax, what is the syntax? New node dot next link to right node. So new node next part is connected to the right node. Okay, next, if you look at this diagram, left node dot next link to new node. So left node next connected to the new node. So both sides are connected. So the new node is connected into the middle of the linked list. So insertion operation is successful. The new list should like this. This is the result. Head, node, new node and another node. These nodes are connected in sequential order using single link and the stopping point is null. So this is the single linked list insertion operation. Next, deletion operation. Deletion means delete the node. First of all, this is the linked list, single linked list, and delete the target node. The syntax is left node dot next link to target node dot next. That means target node is deleted. So once the target node deleted, the result is the result is here. If you look at this diagram, head is connected to the node and the node next point is connected to the next node. There is no target node because target node is deleted. So this is the deletion operation of single linked list. Next, reverse operation. Reverse means reverse the linked list. If you look at this diagram, this is the linked list. So this linked list is reverse. Okay, result is here. If you look at the second diagram, head is the end point and node is reverse and null is starting point. So this is the reverse operation. This is the diagram. Okay, these are the operations of single linked list. Next, single linked list node is represented as, if you look at this, struct node open int data semicolon struct space node pointer next semicolon closed. That means a node contains two parts in single linked list. One is data part, another one is address part. That means next. So two parts are declared in node. Node struct is a keyword. Node contains two parts. One is data part, another one is next. So this is the single linked list node representation. Next, doubly linked list. First of all, what is doubly linked list? Doubly linked list is a variation of linked list in which navigation is possible in both ways, either forward and backward. Doubly linked list operations are insertion, deletion, reverse. Okay. First of all, doubly linked list. This is the representation of doubly linked list. If you look at this diagram, in doubly linked list, node contains three parts. Single linked list contains two parts and doubly linked list contains three parts. One is previous address, another one is data, and another one is next address. These are the three blocks, and there are three nodes are here and connected in forward and backward direction. Arrow marks are the forward and backward directions. There are two links are used. One is forward direction and another one is backward direction. In forward direction, the ending point is backside, and backward direction the ending point is front. That means null. The starting point is head. This is the doubly linked list representation. Okay, next. Operations of doubly linked list. Insertion operation. Insertion means insert the node. Okay, this is the linked list, doubly linked list. 10, 20, 40, 50 are the data, and this data is connected into another data. Insert new node 30. There is no 30. I am inserted in the node 30. 30 will be inserted into the middle of the linked list. After inserting the node, the result is here. After inserting the node 30, the result is here. If you look at this diagram, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. This is the final result. So insertion operation is successful. Next, this is the null point, that means ending point. Okay. Next, deletion operation. Deletion means delete the node. If you look at this diagram, forward and backward directions are here. Link between forward and backward direction. This is the null point, that means ending point. Stop the linked list. And 10 is the data, 20, 30, 40, 50 is the data. Delete the node 40. That means 40 is deleted. After the result is here. If you look at this diagram, 10, 20, 30, 50 are the linked list, doubly linked list. There is no 40 because 40 is deleted. Okay, this is the deletion operation in doubly linked list. Next, reverse operation. Reverse means reverse the linked list and take the doubly linked list. 10, 20, 30 are the data, null point is the stopping point, and after reverse operation the result is 30 in front side, 10 in back side, and third node. So null point is 10, starting point is 30, head is 30. because this is the reverse operation. Okay, this is the diagram in reverse operation. These are the operations of doubly linked list. Next, doubly linked list node is represented as struct node. In doubly linked list, node contains three parts. One is data part, another one is next address, another one is previous address. So three parts are declared: int data, struct node, pointer next, struct node, pointer previous address. So this is the node representation of doubly linked list. Next, circular linked list. What is circular linked list? Circular linked list in which the link field of the last node is made to point to the first node of the list. That means this is the data, 10, 20, 30, 40 are the data. In this linked list, use single link. The link is connected to the null point, and again the null point is connected to the head. This is the circular link. Okay, circular means rounded. This is the circular linked list representation. Next, basic operations of circular linked list are insertion, deletion, reverse. If you look at this diagram, this is the head point. Head is connected to the node, and this node next point is connected to the next node, and this node next point is connected to the another node, and this another node next point is connected to the null, and the null point is connected to the head. This is the circular linked list. In this linked list, I am inserting the new node 30. There is no 30. I am adding the 30. After inserting 30, if you look at this diagram, 30 is inserted in the middle of the linked list. That is new node. New node is added. Okay. Next, the final result is here. If you look at this diagram, that is the target node. New node is added. The process is successful. This is the diagram. Next, deletion operation. If you look at this diagram, the head point is connected to the node 10. The node is next point is connected to the next node, and the next node next point is connected to the next node data items, and the next node next point is connected to the next node. These are the sequential order using single link, and this null point is stopping point. This null point is connected to the head point. That means circle. Circle means rounded. This is the circular linked list. Okay. This is 30 is the target node. 30 is deleted. So target node is deleted. After deleting the target node, the result is here. Head connected to 10. That 10 is the data, and the 10 connected to 20. 20 is connected to 40. There is no 30 because 30 is deleted using deletion operation, and the stopping point is null. Null is connected to the head. This is the circular linked list deletion operation. Okay. Next, reverse operation. Reverse means reverse the linked list. This is the linked list. 10, 20, 30, 40 are the nodes and connected to single link, and this null point is connected to the head. This is the circular linked list. After the reverse operation, the result is here: 40, 30, 20, 10. Here the 40 is the head point and 10 is the last node. After reverse operation, and the null point is connected to the head. Head means 40. This is the reverse diagram. Okay, in circular linked list. Next, let us see how the node structure will look like. Class node. In circular linked list, node contains two parts. One is data part, another one is address part. That means next part. Okay. Next, public node function int of data open. This data equal to data and close. Okay. Node contains two parts, data part and next part. Data means 10, 20, 30 are the data. So this is the node structure of circular linked list. Next, applications of linked list: implementation of stacks and queues, implementation of graphs, dynamic memory allocation, maintaining directory of names, performing arithmetic operations on long integers. These are the applications of linked lists. Next, these are the concepts of linked list. Thank you all for listening. Thank you.